silly little helpers.
Today is going to be the grafting day, and so we have the bees here. Fuzzy Nuggets are all set up. We have the back entrance where they're coming out of. Theoretically, they are all coming into the front entrance here, and that's working pretty well. I know a lot of bees have already figured out the back entrance as well, but we have a jam-packed upper box, and we are going to graft some larvae from this hive because it's also been very successful. So we're going to graft some of the larvae, stick them in the grafting bar in the top box, and let it sit for 24 hours. So that's the plan for today. And we have, just as a reminder, the bottom box right now has the queen with a queen excluder, but we've blocked off the queen excluder portion now, so they can't migrate between the two boxes. So the top box is queenless. Bottom box has the queen. We're going to raise the cells up here, and then 24 hours later we're going to remove the board, recombine both boxes, and that will be our cell finisher. So that's the plan. Okay, go ahead and take the bricks off. Ethan, you want to get the cover?
What? You want to take the cover off? Alright. There's not a lot of bees under there. I don't want to squish it. Okay, so, I didn't usually do this. That was doing great, it's shining on my eye.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I forgot there's something like
Okay. And we're going to take this off now.
Can I take it off?
Sure.
I think, can I pry it?
Yes.
Oh,
Good.
that's really sealed.
Yep. You going to pry that part off too?
Now with fuzzies, always were the ones that propolis.
Yes, they are. And that's a really healthy trait.
It is healthy to do that?
It is. Propolis is antibacterial, so it helps them.
Whoa, look how packed they are.
Yeah, right?
That looks so much different because I'm used to ours.
I know.
That's
So,
so huge.
it is so huge.
Oh, their faces, they're all lined up.
They're happy, aren't they? They're pretty chill for being queenless. Pretty something. All right.
They all sing up their faces.
We don't even have a frame that doesn't have bees on it like we normally do. All right. Ethan, you want to get the smoker and smoke over here for me? It's right over on that side.
There's a lot of drones.
Yeah, there are.
At the top?
Just kind of, we're going to try to get out this last cell here.
So like
The
around
bar-
there?
not
Oh,
cell.
look at them scurry.
Oh,
They just like all around there?
just there. Yeah, that'll work. I didn't, my other hive tools are in the kitchen because we had to wash them. There we are.
Uh-oh, smash some honey.
Oh dear. Sorry, girls. All your hard work.
Yeah, that and they're gonna encourage robbing. Oh, another cell.
Oh.
Well, at least they'll clean it.
All right.
Oh, this is a medium.
Yep. All right. So this is all honey.
No brood?
I don't think so. Oops, gosh, there's bees all in the corner. Nope, this is just honey. All right.
So how are we going to get our honey?
Well, we won't worry about that quite yet. The next super that goes on top, which we will do after we're done with all this.
It looks like a drone cell, I think I see. On the honey.
There might be. Oh, on the honey?
Yeah. Maybe it's just the one that's on a partway capped, but it looks bullet shaped. Oh, I lost it. I just thought it was somewhere around here. Are the bees covering it up? I thought I saw one.
Maybe they've mixed the drone in with the honey. That wouldn't be very good. Poor drone.
No, but a sailfish drone. Look, that one.
Oh.
But then it's not raised anymore. It's just.
Oh, bees looking inside it.
Oh, then it's probably honey.
Trying to find larvae that are super young. All right, this frame has some. So what we're gonna do, does somebody want to get the bee agitator?
Sure, I'll do that.
Yes. Thank you.
And look, they're all peacefully sitting
right.
there, sipping on their honey.
So when you do this, we're gonna kind of gently flick them down onto the frame. You remember how to do it?
Okay, so.
Gently. Okay.
So do I do it like this?
Yep. That's it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they don't like it. Try not to dig into the cone too much. You're
oh,
doing
I just
great.
saw a drone get swept.
Oh dear.
I just saw
I
a
was
drone go.
told we don't want to shake the bees too much when
Can I
when
do
we're
it again?
using the grafting.
Can I do it again?
Yep.
Oh, they're angry.
Yeah, they don't like this. We don't even bother calling it a brush anymore. Gentle, gentle.
Oh.
The more bees we get off the frame, the less we have to bring into our bathroom and catch later, right? So let's try. Got it?
We need to get almost all of them.
Yeah, because we. Ooh, sorry, girl.
Ooh, what's that funky thing?
That is a queen cup. So they'll build those.
Well, that's not good.
No, but you know, I'm learning that just because they're on there doesn't mean they're ready to swarm. We have to keep our eye out, make sure they don't put eggs in it. That's the key.
No, but what I'm saying is it's competition for all bees. That if we're trying, oh, honey are on that frame.
Did we not just shake? I thought we just got the bees off of this already.
Yeah, we did. They were re-landing. The same drone was on it.
Oh, it's the same one?
Yep. I could tell because it was the same black drone, and it looked black last time.
Mm. Okay, let's trying to not shake. I'm so used to just shaking.
But what about all the honey on that side? Wouldn't that spill? Look, they're re-landing on it. Turkey bees.
Come on, you guys don't want to keep your hair brushed, do you? Come on. You got... All right. They're trying to get in. They're really excited about the honey on there, too. All right. I know you want to do your jobs.
But no, that's a lot of bees are going to have.
You know what I forgot to bring?
What?
I forgot to bring a towel to wrap around this. Do we have a towel anywhere?
It's not that cold.
That's true. Okay.
But
Cover this temporarily.
But one thing is, there's so many bees that are gonna have to try to get out of our bathroom. It's not a few. It's like at least 10 on there.
So let's cover that. Hold. Do.
Oh, I just saw some girls.
So you don't have much room in this bathroom, but it's what we got to work with here. Okay, so we have some real small larvae. Shine the light. Probably can, I don't know if you can probably, let's see. Let me see, oh yeah, that's great.
What?
So we're gonna go for, see if I can get my phone. Like that one right there. That one right there. They're really, really, really small. These might be too big. There. That one's really little. See? So we're gonna, gosh, this phone, if I could graft holding the phone, that would be great. Because it's magnified. All right, so there we go. That's what we're doing. And the bucket there behind you. But I'm gonna need to get this frame in. You want to get these in pretty quick. Alright. Okay. So is. We have the wet cloth on there to keep them moist.
Oh, there is 2 frames room in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. How did that happen? Sorry, girls. You know, doesn't matter where we put them. All right.
That just seems weird. How do we have 2
Uh-oh.
frames room?
He's crawled under there. Come on. You
Ow.
okay? He crawled under as I was trying to lower it down. There's always somebody that
That's
tries to
weird
do
how
that
we
at the
have
last
2.
minute.
There's 2 frames there. I hope there's not another one sitting out somewhere.
I don't. Well, here's a
What
frame.
about this one?
What? Oh, that's what it is. That's where. All right. Well, at least that one's just honey. That's less important to have in here, and we'll put it back in a few days, right? After tomorrow, actually. We can put that honey frame right back in tomorrow. We'll remove. Wait. No, that's not right. Because it has to stay in here for 10 days.
So why don't we wrap it up and freeze it like we did with the others? But that would mean bee agitator all over again.
It would. All right, girls. Put
We
your
don't have
brood
to
back
go?
in.
We don't
Watch
have-
out.
Mama, we don't have to go to the bottom box.
No.
This is good. You said it was windy, so
Yeah, we don't want to go in the bottom box. We don't need to.
get this done quick.
Gonna give you some bad breath. Come on, move, move, move. Everybody's gotta go under those arms. Come on. There we go. Okay. There's nothing we're forgetting, right?
Nope.
Nope.
Put on their
There's
wings.
bees on here.
Yep. Bee agitator.
All right, girls.
All
Um,
over
I
again.
hate taking away their honey. Do they have enough up here? That's my other hive tool. In the kitchen getting washed. All right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
there's plenty.
Watch
Okay.
out, there's bees on the sides.
All right. So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna shake them to start with.
Oh, I love that.
I think that's actually better than the brush. I don't like the brush. I feel like I'm gonna
Squish them.
squish them. Yeah.
All girls off, so none go in the freezer. Did you want to just try it on the last few? It's hard when they say to do it fast. That's what makes you feel like you're going to squish them extra. Perfect, just last few. Oh, they're digging their face in
I
that honey.
know.